6 ways to keep cuticles soft and prevent hangnails. Perfect-looking hands are something that every woman cares about. However, with the endless list of daily activities that most of us have to put up with, it may be pretty difficult to avoid hangnail. Those of you who have experienced the issue may already know how uncomfortable, inconvenient, and painful the issue may be at times. When there are hangnails on your fingers, they tend to spread with the speed of light. We have brooded over the issue for a while and come to the conclusion that it may be nice to treat you with a couple of useful ways that you can heal your hangnails with. All of them are very simple and extremely effective at the core. That is why there is no way you will waste your time in watching this video. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Vitamin oil. The reason why you have hangnails is that your hands are not properly moisturized. Applying some vitamin E oil to your cuticles may do the trick. Number 2. Cuticle oil. In case you do not have some vitamin E oil at your disposal, you can easily substitute it with cuticle oil, which can be purchased almost anywhere. Apply it regularly before going to bed, and you will forget about the hangnails. Number 3. Water soak. To soften the hangnails and trim them closely and painlessly, you better soak your finger in some warm water for a while. Number 4. Trimming. No matter what, you should never even try to rip the hangnail off. You better trim it instead. Number 5. Vaseline. In case it is hard to trim the hangnails, you can use some Vaseline and a band to deal with it as well. Number 6. Aloe vera. There are many conditions that aloe vera is helpful with, and hangnails are clearly not the exception. If you apply some of it regularly to your cuticles, you will deal with the existing ones effectively. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.